meet them one by one. The candidates of Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023.
Mopian marasilam kanyo langon, kodi sinay nga may bilandras lausan, daruan sa pulo lagon, Hiyas na Trimota! Maling boli namong lahat, Hagoho Christy Clertar, Uwo Pulotulo, Hiyas ng Tribong, Bagobo Klata!
Madigar dukilong kaniulangon, sakan si Bia at Marquito, 20 talupian. Tuwan na gagin, ating agagaragata, tuwan paniluwan, Hiyas na Bagobo, Tagaba!
Mopian marusilam kanyang langon, kodi si Angeli Mansaban lay pinito, Daron pulo, way sa baka, Hiyas sa matik salam!
Mopian buli tulangon, siyak, si mga bayon, Princess Erika Pagayaw, uruan po way Roma, Hiyas, tuubo, Manovo!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sakan si Juhara Buisan, 20 agon tuaragon ang Hiyas sa bansa Irano!
Madyaw na gabi kamayo, boss. Ako, si Maymona Abelanasa Pangkaga, 24, ang Hiyas sa bangsa Kagay!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saki si Ruhay na uto, 22 lagun, ang Hiyas sa bansa Maguindanao! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sakin si Bai Juhana Sultan, 20 agot taluragon, Hiyas sa bangsa Maranao! Assalamualaikum makaam kahemon. Ako si Heso Janari sa labi, 20 umulko, Hiyas mabangsa sama!
Hiyas sa Tribong Ata, Nidia Mi Belandres Lausan. She is 22 years old and a resident of Paquibato District, Davao City. She is now in her second year in the university, studying Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Business. She loves dancing, singing, and cooking. Hiyas sa Tribong Ata, Ninia May Belandres Lausan. Hiyas sa Tribong Bagoboklata, Christine Claire Ditar. Christine is 23 years old, holds a degree in AB Political Science, and graduated as magna cum laude. Currently, she is in her second year in Ateneo de Davao University Law School. Aside from reading codals, she also loves hiking, playing with dogs, and volunteering. Hiyas sa Tribong Bagoboklata, Christine Claire Ditar. Hiyas sa Tribong Bagobo Tagabawa, Ed Marie Quinto. She is 23 years old who currently resides in Toril, Davao City. She works as a classroom teacher who loves sewing, crafting, taking photos and videos, drawing, and dancing traditional cultural dances. Hiyas sa Tribong Bagobo Tagabawa, Ed Marie Quinto. Hiyas sa Tribong Batigsalog, Angeli Basabanlay Benito. Angeli is 22 years old who resides in Barilog District, Davao City. She is studying hotel and restaurant management, and her hobbies include beads making, playing the flute, dancing, and reading. Hiyas sa Tribong Batigsalog, Angeli Basabanlay Benito. Hiyas sa Tribong Obu Manuhu, Princess Erica de los Santos Pagayao. She holds a degree in public administration who is passionate in organizing indigenous people's community-based events. Princess is 22 years old and she enjoys playing traditional instruments such as agong and kulintang. Hiyas sa Tribong Obu Manuhu, Princess Erica de los Santos Pagayao. Hiyas sa Bangsa Iranun, Johara Kalag Boysan. Johara is 22 years old who holds an education degree major in Filipino. She likes watching vlogs, singing, dancing, and acting. Hiyas sa Bangsa Iranun, Johara Kalag Boysan. Hiyas sa Bangsa Kagan, Maimona Abilianosa Pangkoga. She hails from Barangay Ilang, Davao City. Maimona is 24 years old and she holds an education degree and now teaches English online. She loves reading books and she can speak 5 moral languages. Hiyas sa Bangsa Kagan, Maimona Abilianosa Pangkoga. Hiyas sa Bangsa Maguindanawon, Rohaina Watamama Udo. Rohaina is in her 4th year studying medical technology. She is 22 years old and likes cooking, reading, dancing, and playing volleyball. She is also a performer of Sandingan Dance Troupe. Hiyas sa Bangsa Maguindanawon, Rohaina Watamama Udo. Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao, Johanna M. Sultan. She is 23 years old and she graduated with a criminology degree. Her hobbies include watching movies, reading books, and dancing. Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao, Johanna M. Sultan. Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama, Hessa J. Sailabi. Hessa is from Ilang Muslim Village, Davao City. She is 20 years old and currently studying healthcare. She likes spending her free time watching movies, cooking, dancing, and reading pocketbooks. Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama, Hessa J. Sailabi. Hiyas sa Bangsa Tausug, Althea Gores Asnawi. Althea is in her second year studying nursing. She is 18 years old and her hobbies include reading, writing, cooking, and watching series. She also likes singing, dancing, and acting, and of course, drawing. Hiyas sa Bangsa Tausug, Althea Gores Asnawi.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 11th Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023. Let's show them some love by giving them another round of applause. You know, looking at them while they're on stage, I am so proud of their vibrant cultural diversity here in Davao City. Our candidates are truly stunning and captivating. Davaoenyas so proud of their cultural identity.
Tama ka diha, Steph. And like any other Davaoenya, our Hiyas sa Kadayawan is also a woman of substance. She possesses the knowledge and confidence to create opportunities that would help make, the culture of Davao City known throughout the world through her representation. And this time around, we get to test also their knowledge of their culture and their love for their own roots through our question and answer portion.
The Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 question and answer portion takes 30% on our overall criteria under knowledge and her culture. The first 15% is from the closed-door interview held at the Cascia Hotel Davao, and the remaining 15% will be coming from the question and answer portion tonight.
We prepared questions for our 11 Hiyas, and they will pick one question from our bowl. And they're all given 45 seconds to give an answer. So ladies, once we read your questions, you are given 45 seconds to give a clear and concise answer. And once your time is up, you will hear this sound.
Now, I know that our friends right here are so excited for this wonderful pageantry, but we have a little favor. Nais lamang po namin hilingin sa lahat ng ating mga audience na panatiliin ang katahimikan habang sumasagot ang ating mga kandidata. Okay po ba? Ayan, thank you po. And I'm sure our Hiyas are all ready. Kamu ba mga audience? Ready na? Ready na ba? Ready na.
Let's start sa Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 question and answer with candidate number 1, Hiyas sa Tribong Ata, Niña Mi Belandres Lausan.
I'm going to read your question twice. Here is your question. Ready? How will you promote tourism that values and respects culture and environment? Paano mo itataguyod ang uri ng turismo na nagbibigay halaga at respeto sa kultura at kalikasan? Again, how will you promote tourism that values and respects culture and environment? Paano mo itataguyod ang uri ng turismo na nagbibigay halaga at respeto sa kultura at kalikasan?
Itataguyod ko po ito sa pamamaraan ng aking makakaya sapagkat alam ko po na ang tourism ay mahalaga sa ating lahat sapagkat hindi lamang po kultura ang kanilang tinataguyod, pati naman po ang ating kalikasan sapagkat ang tourism po ay talagang importante. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, we have candidate number 2, Hiyas sa Tribong Bagobo Plata, Kristen Claire Dita. Babasahin ko ulit yung tanong ng 2 beses. How does Hiyas sa Kadayawan empower the women of Davao City? Paano nabibigyan ng Hiyas sa Kadayawan ng kapangyarihan ang mga kababaihan dito sa lungsod ng Davao? Again, how does Hiyas sa Kadayawan empower the women of Davao City? Paano nabibigyan ng Hiyas sa Kadayawan ng kapangyarihan ang mga kababaihan dito sa lungsod ng Davao?
Thank you. Hiyas sa Kadayawan is a great avenue for us to show not only our strengths as a tribe, but only to show as a woman that we are powerful, that we have a voice, and that we are talented. The Hiyas sa Kadayawan is a showcase of different diversity, the unique beauties of the 11 ethno-linguistic tribe of the city. It is a way for us to showcase our uniqueness and our diversity. And an example for that, I, as a Hiyas, has experienced the great opportunity to show and share my voice in sharing my advocacy and my plans as a tribal youth president and as a woman. Thank you.
That's once again, Hiyas sa Tribong Bagobo Plata, Kristen Claire Dita. Candidate number 3, Hiyas sa Tribong Bagobo Tagabawa, and Marie Quinto. Your question? 2 beses ko babasahin. What is the best way to use technology in preserving our culture and environment? Ano ang pinakamainam na paraan ng paggamit ng teknolohiya sa pangangalaga ng ating kultura at kalikasan? What is the best way to use technology in preserving our culture and environment? Again, ano ang pinakamainam na paraan ng paggamit ng teknolohiya sa pangangalaga ng ating kultura at kalikasan?
Thank you for that question. Preserving our culture and strengthening our culture and tradition of our 11 ethno-linguistic groups by means of technology and social media platforms. We Davaoeños are proud of our culture, our tradition, and we must be proud to show the world that we are the living tradition and culture here in Davao City. Davao City is celebrating Kadayawan Festival, and it is a celebration of oneness and a celebration that empowers women to be at their best. And it is a celebration of the culture diversity of Davaoeños. Thank you very much.
Daghang salamat Hiyas sa Tribong Bagobo Tagabawa and Marie Quinto. Candidate number 4, Hiyas sa Tribong Matigsalo, Angeli Masabanlay Benito. Your question? How do you preserve the Lumad and Muslim culture and tradition in culturally diverse society? Paano mo mapapangalagaan ang kultura at tradisyon ng mga Lumad at Muslim sa isang lipunan na may iba't ibang kultura? Again, how do you preserve the Lumad and Muslim culture and tradition in culturally diverse societies? Paano mo mapapangalagaan ang kultura at tradisyon ng mga Lumad at Muslim sa isang lipunan na may iba't ibang kultura?
Thank you very much for that wonderful question. I believe that I can promote the culture. I believe that we 11 ethno-linguistic group have differences, but I believe that we celebrate as one because we respect and we love each other. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hiyas sa tribong Matigsalog, Angeli Masamlay Benito. Candidate number 5, Hiyas sa tribong Ubo Manubo, Princess Erica de los Santos Pagayao. Your question? If you were to become the next Hiyas sa Kadayawan, how will you serve the cultural communities in the city? Kung ikaw ang magiging susunod na Hiyas sa Kadayawan, sa anong paraan mo paglilingkuran ng mga cultural communities dito sa atin? Again, if you were to become the next Hiyas sa Kadayawan, how will you serve the cultural communities in the city? Kung ikaw ang maging susunod na Hiyas sa Kadayawan, sa anong paraan mo paglilingkuran ang mga cultural communities dito sa atin?
Thank you. I belong to the ethno-linguistic group of Ubo Manubo. And here in Davao City, we have 11 ethno-linguistic group. And with this Hiyas sa Kadayawan Festival, it is a big opportunity for me to become the next Hiyas sa Kadayawan, wherein I can showcase the 11 ethno-linguistic group and represent it as a whole, not just only in Davao City, but also in the whole world. Here in Davao City, we are very rich in culture, traditions, and customs. And with this, I am very proud that through unity and the spirit of Bayanihan, we may able to serve the whole Davao City and the Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hiyas sa tribong Ubo Manubo, Princess Erica de los Santos Pagayao.
Moving on to candidate number 6, Hiyas sa Bangsa Iranon, Johanna Calagbuesa. Your question? How will your advocacy help unite Dabaweños regardless of their ethnic background? Paano makakatulong ang iyong advokasya sa pagkakaisa ng mga Dabaweño, kabilang man sila sa pangkat etniko o hindi? Again, how will your advocacy help unite Dabaweños regardless of their ethnic background? Paano makakatulong ang iyong advokasya sa pagkakaisa ng mga Dabaweño, kabilang man sila sa pangkat etniko o hindi?
Thank you, ma'am. Makakatulong ang aking advokasya sa pamamagitan ng aking project proposal. Ang aking project proposal ay Kasayaw Agu Kambayok, a journey to strengthen the identity of Bangsa Iranon and the rest of the 11 ethno-linguistic tribe through cultural dance to unleash the Polish potential of them. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 7, Hiyas sa Bangsa Kagan, Maimona Abellanosa Pangkoga. Your question is, how will you encourage the youth to engage in cultural preservation initiatives? Paano mo hihikayatin ang mga kabataan upang makilahok sa mga pangangalaga ng kultura? Again, how will you encourage the youth to engage in cultural preservation initiatives? Or paano mo hihikayatin ang mga kabataan upang makilahok sa pangangalaga ng kultura?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. I will encourage our young youth and millennials through myself an instrument. I will offer myself as a Dabaweño to represent the 11 ethno-linguistic tribe as a role model, that I will offer myself to have my service, dedication, perseverance, and I will remind to everyone that Davao City is the truly jewel of Davao City is this Hiyas sa Kadayawan, because we unite as one, we diverse as one. And I want to remind you as all that Dabaweños culture is deserved to preserve and deserve to be treasured. Shukran.
Thank you very much, Hiyas sa Bangsa Kagan, Maimona Abellanosa Pangkoga. Right this time, let's welcome candidate number 8, Hiyas sa Bangsa Maguindanaon, Roy Haida Watamama Uto. Your question reads, what is the most important thing that we should teach our children about cultural diversity? Ano ang pinakamahalagang bagay na dapat nating ituro sa ating mga kabataan tungkol sa pagkakaiba ng kultura? Again, what is the most important thing that we should teach our children about cultural diversity? Ano ang pinakamahalagang bagay na dapat nating ituro sa ating mga kabataan tungkol sa pagkakaiba ng kultura?
Thank you for that question, ma'am. First, teach your children with respect. Respect each culture. Even despite our culture diversity, we need to respect and teach our children to promote and respect the other culture. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hiyas sa Bangsa Maguindanao. Right, this time let's welcome candidate number 9, Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao, Johanna M. Sultan. Johanna, what do you think is the importance of celebrating Kadayawan sa Davao? Ano sa tingin mo ang kahalagahan ng pagdiriwang ng Kadayawan sa Davao? Again, what do you think is the importance of celebrating Kadayawan sa Davao? Or ano sa tingin mo ang kahalagahan ng pagdiriwang ng Kadayawan sa Davao?
Thank you for that question. Kadayawan sa Davao celebrates the city's diversity and the vibrant cultures that we have here in our community, where it reminds us about our cultural heritage, to give importance and to see the beauty of it. It is important to have this momentous platform to be one and to be united. And I firmly believe that through this Hiyas sa Kadayawan will impact a harmonious and togetherness. And regardless of cultural background, regardless of differences that we have here in Davao City, together, let us embrace the diversity as a source of strength, unity, and resilience. Shukran.
Thank you very much, Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao, Johanna M. Sultan. Let us now welcome candidate number 10, Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama, Hessa J. Sailabi. Here's your question, Hessa. What do you think is the most important part of your journey as Hiyas sa Kadayawan candidate? Ano sa palagay mo ang pinakamahalagang parte ng iyong pinagdaanan bilang kandidata sa Hiyas sa Kadayawan? Again, what do you think is the most important part of your journey as Hiyas sa Kadayawan candidate? Or ano sa palagay mo ang pinakamahalagang parte ng iyong pinagdaanan bilang kandidata ng Hiyas sa Kadayawan?
Bilang Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama ay napopromote ng ang aming kultura at tradisyon sa pamamagitan sa paghabi ng banig. Dito kami kilala at nagiging friends ko yung mga kandidata at mapapapromote ang ating mga kultura hindi lamang sa aming bangsa kundi din sa 11 ethno linguistic tribe. Shukran.
Thank you very much, Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama, Hessa Sailabi. Last but not the least, candidate number 11, Hiyas sa Bangsa Tauso, Althea Gores Aslawi. Althea, your question goes, as a member of your cultural community, what accomplishment are you most proud of? Bilang miyembro ng iyong cultural community, ano ang iyong nagawa na ipinagmamalaki mo? Again, as a member of your cultural community, what accomplishment are you most proud of? Or bilang miyembro ng iyong cultural community, ano ang iyong nagawa na masyado mong ipinagmamalaki?
Thank you for that question, ma'am. As a member of cultural community, the proudest thing that I made is to represent my tribe here in Hiyas sa Kadayawan, wherein I can showcase the talent of the Tausug people and and I can show and I can promote my advocacy, which is enhancing cultural education and awareness. Because I believe with the proper education and awareness, we can embrace our roots, we can foster our respect and tolerance with each other so that we can live in a harmonious and united community and for the betterment of Davao City. Thank you and shukran.
Thank you very much, Hiyas sa Bangsa Tausug Althea Gores Aznawi. Let's give a big round of applause for our 11 Hiyas sa Kadayawan candidates. Wow!
And that is once again our 11 Hiyas sa Kadayawan and of course our 2020 free question and answer portion. Palakpakan nato once again ang atong mga kandidata. All smart and beautiful.
And apart from being very smart and confident, our Hiyas candidates are also very talented because as representatives of their respective cultural communities, they know by heart their culture, values, and traditions, especially the art forms of their cultural community through music, songs, dances, literature, and even their traditional dishes too.
Yes, that's true. And they all showcased that during the cultural presentation held last August 13. Our candidates proudly showcased their cultural presentation at SM City Davao Annex Event Center. All our candidates impressed our live audience and judges.
Let's watch the highlights of the Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 cultural presentation. Here's the video.
Kini ang Kadayawan.
As we have witnessed the talent presentations by the 11 ethno-linguistic tribes of our city gathered here for this event, we are reminded that the very essence of our narrative has been shaped by their tireless endeavors.
Experience Hiyas sa Kadayawan. Experience Kadayawan.
Hadi today na librang Grand Mountain, dahil sa punong labon, Hiyas sa Timogata! Happy today, Kadayawan, Kawaluban! Nag-enjoy mo mo tanan? Ang saya mo alay kong mga apolo, at hindi ka sa January sa labi, Hiyas sa
Let me extend our heartfelt gratitude to the City Government of Davao for choosing SM City Davao as venue for the cultural presentation of Hiyas ng Kadayawan.
I congratulate all of the Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 candidates and their cultural
Congratulations to all of our candidates. Well, you did an excellent job of, elevating your respective cultural communities through your cultural presentations. And of course, we would like to congratulate as well our 3 candidates who were chosen to perform tonight. Hiyas sa Maranao, Hiyas sa Maguindanaon, and Hiyas sa Bagobo, Tagabawa. And of course, this evening is such a glorious moment to be able to celebrate, the culture of Davao City as we highlight and continue to highlight the different facets of our cultures and traditions because it all encompasses, songs, dances, even rituals, everything, rights of the different groups.
This is the time for us to get to know more about their culture and the kind of community that they are in.
And I think we've witnessed that doon sa kanilang cultural presentations. Full support ang lahat ng kanilang mga kasama sa tribo at sa bangsa. Maraming salamat po for always expressing your full support to our Hiyas candidates.
Tinuod yun kayo nga na. Actually, daghan kayo sila karong gabi una. And they're very excited. Kaya ako po excited po ko, and just like you're excited as to who will bring home and who will be the next Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023.
And with that said, let's now begin our cultural presentation tonight, Steph.
With a candidate representing the Bagobo Tagabawa cultural community, she will showcase the story of the beginning of fire, the process of what they call polas.
She will also show and explain the value of Bagobo Tagabawa traditional attire. Ladies and gentlemen, Hiyas sa Bagobo Tagabawa, Ed Marie Quinto.
Magdigay to kilom kanyo langon, sakan si Bia and Marquinto, Hiyas katribo, Bagobo Tagabawa. Nigunikanakin pagitan. Way back 2017, where the Hiyas sa Bagobo Tagabawa revealed about the story of the beginning of water, in which our tribe discovered that water can also be found inside the bamboo. Ladies and gentlemen, this time I want to show you the story of the beginning of fire! Kabalusanan. Olivio. Tama ko. Madamdam kay. Dawan kan tayang tao. Pero wala apoy. Dawan wayik na. Pero wala apoy. Ito kagbat no. Pagtingkig no. Pagtingkig no. Ipagmabalabal. Oh, manama. Matulos ang langagan din. Bagay kay katulusan. Bagay kay katulusan. Dinin pa ko, no? Utakan! Woo! Oh, manama! Matulog sa ma! Mamuyo ang apoy! Mamuyo ang apoy! Mamuyo ang apoy! Agabaldan! Tuma ka! Panamarino! Panamarino! Agabaldan! Agabaldan! Duwa na laban! Salamat, Ama. Salamat, Malama. Now, at this very moment, this will be a great opportunity to give knowledge and awareness to every one of us here tonight. And as an IP, I have a voice now to give knowledge and details about our identities. Ladies and gentlemen, our colorful, beautiful, and authentic traditional attire. Together, let's start with the head. Lolin. It serves as a crown and empowered woman. Surang. It serves as sacred head accessories that supports the crown. Well-known woman has to wear surang. Umpak. It was made to creative and artistic dreams of our weavers. It involves emotion and imagination upon making our creative umpak. Sunod. Every textile has its own meaning, depending on our weavers' hopes and dreams. Kubol. It's a traditional bag of our ancestor, where some stuff of healing were put inside of it. Tikas. It symbolizes strength and victory of every woman in our community. Babat. The sound catches attention, where how the sound's getting loud, the more graceful the woman is dancing. It also gives signals and attraction. This is what we call tingoto. Plays a big role as Bagobo at Tagabawa, where it serves in charge and guardian to our rice field. With this, the more we spend time to work in our farm, the more bountiful harvest we celebrated! Kanakan tribo ang tikudan, Pagobo, Tagapa!
Thank you very much, Anne-Marie Quinto, our Hiyas sa Pagobo, Tagabawa, together with our backup performers. Palakpakan natin sa pag-usap. Of course, we still have 2 more cultural presentations. But before that, of course, let's acknowledge once again our festival partners who made the Kadayawan Festival 2023 possible. Let's all watch this.
And for your support and generosity at dahil sa ating mga festival partners, ako marami tayo mga nakahilera ng mga activities in the celebration of our Kadayawan Festival for 2023. Kaya dun sa mga pinakaigsuunan nato nga naadri sa Davao or kahit abroad, a lot of them are not physically here in Davao City, but because some of our activities are live streamed via several social media platforms, they get to experience, the flair and excitement of the festival of all festivals.
Correct. So maski nata sa layong nasod, ma-enjoy gihapon nato ang tanan nga mga selebrasyon sa atong, of course, 38th Kadayawan Festival.
Alright, that's why we all encourage lahat po ng ating mga Davaoenos, whether you're here or other parts of Mindanao or of the Philippines, come join us and celebrate dahil marami pa kaming inihandang exciting na mga activities para sa inyong lahat. But of course, top all of that with our Hiyas sa Kadayawan Coronation Night live here dito sa RMC Petrogas Arena.
Ilang minutes na lang malalaman natin Siyempre, of course, we're going to highlight yung ating cultural performances. Pero ako din, excited na rin ako. Ikaw, sigurado ko, attorney.
Excited as well because, it has to be emphasized that the culture and tradition of our 11 ethno-linguistic groups have shaped the modern Davaoeno, resilient, disciplined, creative, and immensely proud of his roots. And let's continue now celebrating the diversity of our cultural communities.
Okay, so let's continue celebrating the diversity of our cultural communities. and their respective cultural heritage with the next cultural presentation. From Hiyas sa Bangsa Magindanawan, Rohaina Watamama Utu.
This cultural presentation will showcase the identity of Magindanaon through kapag-ol sa inol, one of the most versatile hand-woven textile. The playing of Magindanaon instruments kapag kulintang, kapandebak, pamandil, kapangganding, and kapagagong, and the kambayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hiyas sa Bangsa Magindanaon, Rohaina Watamama Utu.
Matanda sa daungan, mantana sa daungan, adan watani babo na bulawan papatayan, na 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 na
gentlemen, Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao, Joanna M. Sultan.
Wow! Grabe, well, that completes our cultural performances and presentation from our 3 Hiyas candidates. And moments from now, we get to announce, the winner of our Best in Cultural Presentation. And again, daghan kaayong salamat sa atong tulo ka Hiyas to get to, perform once again tonight, and to our 11 candidates as well for always, putting their best foot forward, because like I said, it's not every day that we get to participate to a cultural event such as these, right, Steph?
Truly, ang Hiyas sa Kadayawan is actually a great platform for the 11 tribes of Davao City para, attorney, atong i-showcase ang ilang uniqueness o ang diversity sa ilang kultura. And after a long preparation, one of our 11 candidates will make history tonight and will leave a legacy as Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023.
Right, this time, let's bring back our 11 candidates on stage as they walk together with their respective deputy mayors. Ladies and gentlemen, our 11 festival gems.
Tribong Ata, Nina May Belandres Lausan, with Deputy Roel Arthur Ali Jr. Tribong Bagobo Klata, Christine Claire D. Tar, with Deputy Erwin Adolfo. Tribong Bagobo Tagabawa, Ed Marie Quinto, with Deputy Cheryl Uy Anino. Tribong Batigsalog, Angelny Pasabanlay Benito, with Deputy Carlito S. Quinto Jr. Tribong Obu Manubu, Princess Erica de los Santos Pagayao, with Deputy Anthony L. Duyan. Bangsa Iranun, Johara Kalag Boysan with Deputy Pamikarin Latif Arumpak Jr. Bangsa Kagan, Maimona Abellanosa Pangkoga with Deputy Nicanor Mohammed Al-Haj. Danawon, Rohaina Watamama Uto with Deputy Ismael Nakan Al-Haj. Bangsa Maranao, Johanna M. Sultan with Deputy Rahima Usman Polao. Bangsa Sama, Hessa J. Sailabi with Deputy Estrelita T. Mahamud. Bangsa Tausug, Althea Gores Asnawi with Deputy Basil S. Ahalul, represented by Al-Bashir Ahalul.
Once again, let's give a big round of applause for our 11 Hiyas sa Kadayawan candidates and of course to our 11 deputy mayors. Sa ating pong deputy mayors, maraming salamat po.
In a few minutes from now, we will meet our new Hiyas sa Kadayawan and her court. Now I know that everyone is pretty excited. Excited na ba mo? But first, let us welcome on stage a performance from a homegrown performing artist. They will perform Duyog sa Pagsaulog, or Let Us Celebrate, composed and arranged by Mario Leoperem Lim, with music and performance by the Kalumon Performing Ensemble. This was adjudged as the grand prize winner of the first Tugtog World Music Competition during the Kadayawan Festival sa Davao 2005.
Ladies and gentlemen, Davao, please welcome the Kalumon Performing Ensemble.
Hingga Dali mga ikala, kapun na sa lugunta, kudya ka sa panagiw sa magkambal kita. Dali mga ikala, kapun na sa lugunta, kudya ka sa panagiw sa magkambal kita. Pinaiyahan, puno sa gugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Tuyok sa pinaiyahan, puno sa gugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Dahil may bakhala, ang bitan sa katiligban, uparon alamon, alang sa taon-taon. Pinaiyahan, puno sa gugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Tuyok sa pinaiyahan, puno sa gugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Dali mga gala, kapun na sa lugunta, udyak na sa panagyo sa magkambanta. Dahil may batala, ang bitan sa katilingban, umaron palambon, alang sa kaumaon. Pinaiyahan, puno sa tugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Tuyok sa pinaiyahan, puno sa tugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Pinaiyahan, puno sa gugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba? Tuyok sa pinaiyahan, puno sa gugma, ihatag sa'yo na iya mo ba?
Thank you very much, Kalumon Performing Ensemble. Truly, tatak, Davao ka na.
Wow, thank you very much, Kalumon. And this time around, we will give now our special awards from our very generous corporate partners. Eastern Communications, Davis Paints, Food Panda, and Master DIY. We will also award the Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 Best in Cultural Presentation.
Let us start with Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 Eastern Smile of the Night, awarded by Eastern Communications, the premier Philippine telecommunications company. And this winning candidate was chosen for exceptional stage presence, beauty, wit, and brilliant smile. The winner will receive a sash, a bouquet of flowers, and a cash prize of 10,000 pesos.
To present the awards for Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 Eastern Smile of the Night, let us welcome on stage Albert Antig, Eastern Communications Executive Account Manager.
And the Hiyas sa Kadayawan Eastern Smile of the Night is Eastern Smile of the Night, Hiyas sa Kadayawan, Johanna Sultan.
Our next special award is the Spectrum Award, to be given by Davis Paints Philippines Incorporated. The award will be given to the candidate with the most colorful tribal outfit tonight, and the winner will receive a bouquet of flowers, sash plaque, and 5,000 pesos in cash.
To present the Spectrum Award is Mr. Lito H. Mojares, Business Development Supervisor, together with Mr. Ryan Arendain, Business Development Officer, Davis Paints Philippines Incorporated.
And the winner of our Spectrum Award is Hiyas sa Bangsang Maranao, Johanna Sultan.
And the next special award is the Pau Pau Choice Award from Food Panda. The winner will receive a sash, a bouquet, and 5,000 pesos worth of Food Panda voucher.
To present the Pau Pau Choice Award from Food Panda are Miss Pamela Jimenez and Nicolas Nepomuceno.
Pau Pau joins Kadayawan Festival in celebrating abundance and diversity by showing how it is to live like a panda. And the award for the Pau Pau Choice Award goes to Hiyas sa Maranao, Johanna L. Sultan.
Our next special award is Hiyas ng Master DIY. The Hiyas ng Master DIY is given to the candidate with exemplary personality and beauty that upholds the love for culture, community, and family. This is similar to what Mr. DIY stands for: value for money for Filipino families and providing job opportunities to different, local communities. The winner will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, Mr. DIY gift certificates worth 5,000 pesos and a cash prize worth 5,000 pesos as well.
To present the award for Hiyas ng Mr. DIY are Mar Charles Salicina, Mr. DIY Senior Marketing Manager, and John Joe Abing, Mr. DIY Area Manager.
And our hiyas ng Mr. DIY is... Hiyas sa Pagsambalanaw, Johanna Sultan! Thank you very much, and again, congratulations, Johanna Sultan, our Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao.
And now we're going to announce the Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 Best in Cultural Presentation. She will receive a bouquet of flowers, a sash, and 25,000 pesos in cash.
To present the award for Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 Best in Cultural Presentation are Councilor Mirna Dalodo Ortiz, Davao City Councilor 3rd District, together with Miss Jean Bangayan, Co-Chairperson, Davao Vice Board.
Handing over the winner of our Best in Cultural Presentation is Mr. Raul Balisalisa of SGV and Company. Sir, happy Kadayawan, and thank you so much. The Hiyas sa Kadayawan Best in Cultural Presentation is Hiyas sa Bangsa Maranao, Johanna Sultan. Sa Bangsa Maranao. Thank you, Ms. Jean Magayan, of course, Councilor Mirna Dalodo Ortiz. And congratulations as well to the ladies and the winners, of course, of our special award.
The city government of Davao is consistently initiating activities that, of course, preserve and promote our cultures. And we are very thankful, of course, sa atong city government, headed by, of course, Mayor give it up for our rating, Hiyas sa Kadayawan and her court. Eto na, the moment we've all been waiting for. Excited na ba mo? Sigurado? Sige daw, Bet. Istigan na ito kung excited pag yun.
Asa na ba ang ato kaigsuunang atang? Bagobot lata! Bagobot tagapawa! Iranon! Kagan!
Siyempre, dili ta papilde ang ato mga kaigsuunang Maguindanawon. Kusga ng palakpak para sa Maranao. Syagit og singgit, matik salog. Ubo manubo. Sama. Siyempre, tausog.
Thank you all so much and congratulations din sa inyo. Well, we are so excited for this very moment because finally we have already found that exceptional and empowered woman who can rise to the top and take that responsibility as our new Hiyas sa Kadayawan.
Tama ka diya, Resi. May I call in now Mr. Raul Balisaliza of SGV for the envelope that contains the final result.
Thank you, sir. But before we announce the new queen and her court, let us first award Steph our Hiyas sa Kaliwatan title to our 8 cultural ambassadors. I would like to emphasize that this is in no particular order. Uulitin ko po, ang pagtawag sa ating 8 Hiyas sa Kaliwatan ay hindi po batay sa kung anong ranking or ang pagkakasunod-sunod nila.
That's right. Our Hiyas sa Kaliwatan will receive a bouquet of flowers and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos each. The candidates of Hiyas sa Kadayawan will get a Samsung battery pack from Atelcom and Samsung.
To present the award for Hiyas sa Kaliwatan and our 3 major titles, let us welcome on stage the President of Davao Tourism Association and co-chair of the Kadayawan Exicom this year, Ms. Nicole Haubian Ledesma, together with Davao City Tourism Operations Office, Officer in Charge, Ms. Jennifer Romero, with Councilor Al Ryan Alejandre, together with Vice Mayor J. Melchor Kitain Jr.
And now, our Hiyas sa Kaliwatan. Ladies and gentlemen, our 2023 Hiyas sa Kaliwatan in no particular order. Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama, Hesa J. Sailabi.
Our next Hiyas sa Kaliwatan, we have Johanna Calabwaysan, Iranon.
Sa Kaliwatan is Hiyas sa Bangsa Maguindanao, Rohaina Watamama Uto.
atong sunod na hiyas sa kaliwatan. Hiyas sa Matigsalog, Angeli Masabanlay Benito.
Mona Abellanosa Pangcoga. Hiyas sa Tribong Dagat.
Ang atong sunod na hiyas sa kaliwatan, we have Hiyas sa Bagobo Tagabawa, Edmarie Quinto.
Congratulations to our Hiyas sa Kaliwatan. Hiyas sa Tribong Obu Manovu, Princess Erica de los Santos Pagayao.
Complete our Hiyas sa Kaliwatan. Hiyas sa Tribong Atan, Niña May Melades Lausa.
Our presenters to please remain on stage to present the awards for our 3 queens.
And we are down to our top 3 Hiyas, who will be crowned as Hiyas sa Kalambuan 2023, Hiyas sa Panagiusa 2023, and ultimately Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023. Hiyas sa Kalambuan and Hiyas sa Panagiusa and Hiyas sa Kadayawan will each receive 1 smart pocket Wi-Fi from Smart Telecommunications. Hiyas sa Kadayawan will also receive 5 pieces of Learn Smart Kits. Learn Smart Kits contain Smart Pro LTE pocket Wi-Fi and USB flash drives with educational content such as pandemic-tested CVIF dynamic learning program, learning activity sheets, and Maging Laging Anda videos, among others. Attorney Resi?
Woo! That is our star with the Hiyas sa Kalambuan 2023. May I now call on stage our Hiyas sa Kalambuan 2022, Ms. Crizel Joy Ungab, to join our presenters.
I am now going to announce our Hiyas sa Kalambuan 2023. She will receive a new customized crown, a sash, a bouquet of flowers, gift items from Converge ICT, and 80,000 pesos in cash. And our Hiyas sa Kalambuan 2023 is Hiyas sa Tribong Tausog, Alvea Godas Asnawi.
Hiyas sa Bangsa Tausug. But before we announce the last two winners, may we request our two remaining Hiyas to please move to the center of the stage.
Thank you, ladies. We would like to request on stage our Hiyas sa Panagiusa 2022, Miss Alnesa Bangasin, and our Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2022, Miss Beauty Rose Gandarosa.
For the Hiyas sa Panagiusa 2023, she will receive a new customized crown, sash, bouquet of flowers, gift items from Converge ICT, and 100,000 pesos in cash.
The new Hiyas sa Kadayawan will get a brand new Samsung Galaxy A34 5G plus a gadget box from Atocom and Samsung.
Our Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 will also receive a new customized crown, sash, bouquet of flowers, gift item from Converge ICT, and 150,000 pesos in cash.
Ready na ba? I am now going to announce the Hiyas sa Panagiusa 2023. And our Hiyas sa Panagiusa 2023. Hiyas sa Tribong Maranao, Joanna M. Sultan!